Hi everyone, I'm back with another haul video. This time it was from Jen Evers, who is Koala Tea Crafts on her website, but on YouTube she's Jen Evers, and every other Saturday for the most part she has a crafty garage sale, she calls it. So I haven't been going there lately, but I went there this time and I was pretty good. But I did spend, I think $49, including $6 shipping. Yeah. So the first thing I got was $5, and it was this Fantasy Collection mask, or stencil, if you will. I got it because it looks like a dahlia, and I think I can use that to make Dahlia Designs earring cards and things for my business, but I don't know. It's just called Mask. It's this one, Mask FC46. They don't give them a name, but that's the one I got. It's by Studio Light Fantasy Collection. It's very possible I have another Dahlia mask, but I'm not sure. Anyway, it also comes with the ring, you know, to put through to save them if you get, I guess, a bunch of them. But I never heard of this brand, so I don't know. Anyway, I got that. Then the next thing I got, I guess, was $7.49. Yes. I actually saw somebody else do a video the other day and they raved about these sticky specks, and I had never heard of them. It says used for everything from crafting to household applications, sticks to paper, wood, ceramic, plastic, glass, and more, so that's wonderful. And apparently you lift up a top liner, you put your item face up on your adhesive, then you put the liner back down, rub the top of the liner, and then you lift the liner again and remove your item. So, excuse me, that might be good for some like intricate things. I don't know. I'll have to play with it and see. This has 4 A4 size sheets. Each sheet is 8.3 by 11.7 inches in US, and it's made in the Netherlands. Can't really see them in here, but they're like little specks like that, like sticky, what I call glue dots, but they're all over the sheet, so they call them sticky specks. It's a micro adhesive. Maybe they're tinier dots. I don't know. I will find out. So those were the two individual things, and then, well, I got one more individual thing. Now this was $10.60, but I was charged $10.99. Oops, I didn't catch that on my invoice. Anyway, it's called Marianne Hetty's Mermaid. Marianne Designs Mermaids. I got that from my summer collab I'm participating in for some future month, hopefully. So real cute. It's 2017 Marianne Design BV, and and it's NL, which I guess is also Netherlands. I'm not positive about that. But some real cute mermaids and fishies and seahorses and turtles. Now, Stampin' Up! Does have some sets with turtles and seahorses in, but right now they don't have any with mermaids. That doesn't mean they won't in the future. So that's why I got that. That's for my collab. Actually, for Brandy's collab. And then I bought a kit. It was just craft sale kits. This one was $20. These got a little bit crumpled, but it had just, these are some thick, really nice heavyweight cardstock in autumn colors. I don't remember that this is autumn, but everything else is in this bag, and I think it had recipe stuff, and that's why I got it. Oh, has a clear acrylic block. I may give that away. Nuvo Clear Mark embossing pen. That sounds fun. I don't have one of those, so that's wonderful. I'm gonna, let me see. Oh yeah. Oh, wonderful. So you can just put this on like embossing ink and then use your embossing powder. I have been wanting one of those. That might be, I don't even know if I saw it, because I saw a couple things and I said I want that. It was originally 25 and she marked it to 20. There were, yeah, there were some stamps in here. There were things about baking. This is a chipboard slider. This is a recipe box label stamp, paper tray ink, Pisgars, the simple things, but it's all about recipes and stuff. And look at that tea kettle. I love that. We used to have one just like that. I need to get another one just like that because we drink a lot of tea. I might already have this. I'm not sure, but this is a brand new 6x6 paper pad, dots and stripes, but in like fall color, so I really love that. Not that I need paper. This stamp, I forget what this, oh, here. It's the stove. The best gifts are tied with heartstrings from the kitchen of. So I thought that was really cute. And I don't really need stamp. This one's actually coming apart. A hot chili pepper. I probably will give that away. Heaven is being home for the holidays. That's pretty. The strawberry I love. The wood blocks I'm not crazy about except for that one stove. Oh, this one is brand new. Nouveau Mica Mist. Ideal for adding shimmering sparkle to any creative project, so that's neat. And Nouveau embossing powder in black, I guess, but yeah, jet black. Can always use more embossing powder. And then one Sioux Color art marker. Never heard of them. Let me see how this. So I guess this is like a Copic copy. It's got a big tip. It's more like a Spectrum Noir because it's got that fatter end. It works. It's juicy, so it's not like it's dried up or anything. So obviously orange. So we have an orange theme going on. So kind of fall things, and that's it. That was it. But I thought for $20. Now these are used. This is used. This might or might not be. I'm not sure. This was, no, that was not part of the kit. The paper is brand new. The embossing pen is new. The mist is new. The block is new. Actually, it's called Autumn Leaves acrylic block. Division of Creativity ink. Huh. 3x3. You know what? I don't know. It's a thick block. It doesn't have the, it's thicker than like our paper pumpkin ones, but it's not as thick as Stampin' Up's ergonomic ones. So, yeah. And then this is new. So, I'm happy with all that. The blocks over here, I think probably this one was been used. This one has been used. This one I don't think has been, and I'm not sure about the strawberry. I think maybe gently used, but they're rubber blocks. This one I'll have to fix. It's coming off the, yeah, the sticky. You can take them off. This is Stampabilities. I think this one is, I can't read. Susan Branch, All Night Media. This one's Penny Black. And this one is Susan Branch, All Night Media. These two both are that brand. I never heard of that brand. I've heard of Stampabilities and Penny Black, but that doesn't mean anything. I've only been paper crafting since 2017, so who knows. So that's it. That's the extent of my haul, everyone. I hope you liked that, and I will talk to you again soon for Stampin' Up stuff. Alrighty, not a haul, just videos or lives.